Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3 on iPhone. Since Fallout 3 was originally released for personal computers and consoles, it is not directly available on your mobile device. However, with modern technology, you can still experience this classic role-playing game on your phone. We will cover two primary methods: utilizing cloud gaming services and streaming directly from your own personal computer. Both options offer unique benefits for playing on the go. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to play Fallout 3 without needing a powerful local machine. Platforms such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna allow you to stream the game directly to your iPhone. You will need a strong, stable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and a subscription to the service. Simply connect a compatible Bluetooth controller, and you are ready to explore the capital wasteland. Another excellent method is to stream Fallout 3 from your own personal computer. This involves installing an application like Steam Link or Moonlight on your iPhone and a corresponding client on your gaming PC. Your computer will run the game, and the video feed will be sent to your phone. For optimal performance, both devices should be on the same local network, ideally connected via Ethernet for your PC, ensuring minimal latency and a smooth experience. To truly enjoy Fallout 3 on your iPhone, optimizing your setup is key. Always use a fast and stable internet connection, like a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or a robust 5G cellular connection. A compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for the best gameplay experience, offering much better control than touchscreens. Experiment with the streaming quality settings within the app to find the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance, ensuring your journey through the wasteland is as immersive as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.